Hi, and welcome to Teacher Nell's Learning Resources, your place to listen, read, and enjoy amazing short stories. Let's get started.
A Day of Adding, Part 2 by Mil Flores Ponciano. Later that day, Tom and Mon went outside for a walk. They saw some white stones under a tree. Tom picked up 5 white stones. Mon gave him 3 more, so Tom added them together and said, "Now we have 8 white stones." At lunch, Tom and Mon ate their favorite corn cobs. Tom had 5 cobs and Mon ate 3. They decided to share some cookies. Tom gave her 2 cookies and Mon gave him 1 cookie. They quickly added the cookies together and said, "Our cookies now are 3." Finally, Tom and Mon returned home and went to their rooms. Under the bed, Tom found 4 black toys, and Mon found 2 white toys under his pillow. Together, they added them up and said, "We now have 6 toys."
That's it for today's story. Friends, if you had fun, give it a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the next adventure with Teacher Nels. Till next time, happy learning!